There he is. Welcome, Krishna. Can you
Voila!
Yay! Hola!
Yeah, because I'm
Namaste
from
to all of
India.
you. Shalom.
Namaste! We feel you.
You know, it is very special. And I want to share with you a wisdom transmission from one of the Upanishads called the Chandogya Upanishad. It goes as follows. There is a light that shines brighter than all the earth, than all the suns and all the heavens. And that's the light that shines in the diamond that resides in the lotus of the heart. That is the highest order of the capacity of the human transformation from matter body to light body. We go back to the late 60s, early 70s, when Maharishi Mahesh Yogi did extensive levels of research in the US, brought teams of people together from various centers, universities, did experiments, especially in Washington, D.C., Palestine. But all of these, and then they were published. They were published in many peer reviewed journals. But what it really converges to is that when humankind attains a higher vision, the lower vision disappears unto itself. And we see this when we make a reference to water. Water is our most sacred substance of the entire universe. So, what I'd like to start off with is showing the nature of how the setup was. So, what we are looking at here is a glass jar with water, the water that comes out of the tap.
Today is September 21, International Peace Day. This is part of the One Field initiative. Lynn McTaggart led the peace meditation, and it was dedicated to the children of Beirut. This combination here, we have the biowell and we have the water electrode that is there in the jar of water. And we've been running it now for roughly about 1 hour and 51 minutes. I'm going to run it all the way for another till it touches to us, so that's going to be roughly 12 o'clock at night. And then I get to analyze the data. And this is Krishna Madhapa in Bangalore.
So now I'm going to go directly into the data from the experiment. So we've got three zones of the screen. One is intensity. Intensity is the measurement of photons. The second is the energy, and the energy is a measurement in joules. In the last chart, the area deviation, the lower the values, the higher is the effect. We can see that from folders number 7, when the actual meditation began, the folders started going down. They started scaling down, which was getting everyone engaged, and this is very consistent. So what do we see with the intensity? We see that it begins and then there is a gradual ascending platform. And that ascending platform continues all the way to the end. We look at the energy and we see a similar pattern that is also in concordance, a gradual ascent. So this capacity of a group mind, a collective group, engaged in the power of love, in the power of caring. The moment there is a sense of caring, the vagus nerve kicks in. And when the vagus nerve kicks in, of course, it engages oxytocin, which is the hormone for joy and happiness. And what in turn does this do? It sends out fields of field and streams of data. And these fields and streams of data engage with what we would call the unified field of natural law. And the unified field of natural law, the foundation of this is engaged in what we would call a constructive waves, waves that enhance the quality of life. So with that thought, I'd like to resonate the harmonic of this magnificent gong so that these waves of vibration flow into each and every one of us, and may it transmit not only across the planet, but across the solar system, across the Milky Way, across into the cosmos. May the one field be an inspiration that would resonate through time in the lives of all, and may this be great lessons that would be now initiated in academics of true learning. Aho. Shalom.
Shalom.
Thank you.